Happy Sunday and welcome to another vlog. Welcome to my new fabulous kitchen. But today is Sunday, January 21st, and this vlog is, as you can see by the title, the Clean With Me vlog. My goal is to make this like a super vibey, take two. So my goal is to make this like a super vibey clean with me video. We've been in our new apartment for about 2 weeks now. It's time to clean up. It's Sunday, and not just because it's Sunday, but it's time to clean up. We're gonna start in the kitchen. I am gonna clean both bathrooms. That'll probably be it for the first half of this. We just gotta kind of go with the flow. You know, I gotta work around the children. I hope that this is motivational for us to get up and clean our houses. I do not feel like cleaning. My period started today. I've got cramps. I'm sleepy. I need to wash my hair. I'm just not with it today. But we gotta do what we gotta do. Go ahead and jump right on in to this vlog. If you have not already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and like this video because I already know you're gonna like it. Comment all the good things, and as I say with the comments, keep it cute or keep it mute. I don't know why this Fashion Nova, like these Fashion Nova two-piece sets have become like my cleaning uniform. But if you saw my short that I posted a couple of days ago, I was in a Fashion Nova two-piece while I was just like doing some midday cleaning. And here we are again in another Fashion Nova two-piece cleaning. Apparently this is my maid outfit. It's 2024, this is the new maid outfit, get into it. Without further ado, like I said, it's not gonna be a whole lot of talking because we're literally just here to clean. So I hope that you guys enjoy this video, vibe out with me for a little bit. You already know I'm gonna have some special guests. And thanks for watching this video. All right, y'all, so it's about 9:30. We just finished breakfast. This is what the kitchen is looking like. Now I've already emptied the dishwasher, but we have new dishes. I need to sweep the floor. I also plan on cleaning out the fridge, wipe down the fingerprints on the fridge. Again, I just cooked, so we're gonna clean all that up. I have a question. All right. All right, y'all, so I just wanted to check in. I'm about halfway through, actually more than halfway through. So far, we've cleaned the kitchen. We've cleaned the guest/kids bathroom. I did sweep off camera. I did sweep the living room while the kids were playing/sleeping. You just saw me make the bed. All that's left is to clean our bathroom. And I am going to vacuum the floors. Don't know if I'm going to get a chance to actually film that because as you can see, based off of the last scene, if you will, the kids got involved. And it's looking like the twins ain't going to take a nap today, so you already know how that goes. So anyway, yeah, so all that's really left is to clean the master bathroom. Really won't take long, probably about 10-15 minutes. Again, I'm not doing a deep clean. I'm just like doing a little reset, just making sure that we're clean and ready to go for the week. Yes, it has a hole in it, baby. Yes.
It has a hole in it.
Watch out, Jordan.
Watch out, Jason.
Ciao. Anyway, so we're gonna keep things going. Don't know when I'm gonna actually get to this bathroom because my little ducklings is following me. But yeah, we're just moving right along, making our way through the day. It's 2:05. I've been cleaning since like 9 o'clock this morning. Just having to keep stopping, starting back up again. Did a little grocery order, you know, just all the things. So just stay tuned as the cleaning continues. All right, y'all, so that is it for me. I am done cleaning the house. I will vacuum another day. Okay, it is almost 4 o'clock and I am tired. All right, so you've seen it. That's pretty much like the bulk of it. I do laundry throughout the week, so I don't really have like a laundry day. And then, like I said, the vacuuming, that will get done as well, just not today. Thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you all for your subscriptions. Thank you for your comments, for your likes, for your shares. I appreciate and love you guys so much for just joining the fam. Thank you guys for just even caring about what's going on in my life, my kids' life, my husband's life. Just thank you for being a part. I'm about to go hop in the shower, put my feet up for as long as I can while these kids sleep, and I will holler at y'all at the next video.